Good morning, class 4. Today we are going to do class 4 grammar with a smile, the sentence, grammar chapter 1. Read these groups of words, identify the errors in them and state why they cannot be called sentence. Sentence ti chu tahian ziaron soya. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence always contains a subject and a verb. It always begins with a capital letter. It has a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end. Sentence tu omkom, tu shang in zom kom omzenia omania. Sentence tu anin subject le verb ani zia, capital letter in horopuina in transia, full stop emo, question mark emo, makna exclamation mark ten atop chinani. Chuan helaya hianin word sentence shang aronda heng sentence te hi sentence dik anni le ni lo kha sentence ti in ko anni theilo kha kan zong chuak dona adik lo na lai te kan da chuak dona ni. Vigran to play football. Vigran to play football hianin Vigran na hianin football a khel don ti om takania. Vigran is going to play football. Vigran wants to play football te ni ta ang se adik turania ta hianin a word ti akim lo la yo ma chu wangin missing word oma incomplete ani. Chuan bought he a new car. He thui aron in rem dana diklawa aron in ninua ya chu wangin he bought a new car lo ni tang se chu adik mei the ni. He jumbled words ani mo. Chuan Ravi spoke to the teacher. Ravi spoke to the teacher ani athu hi in rem dik thlapa se R hianin capital R om turani atopa full stop om bok turani. Hi punctuation error ani. Chuan heta the monster attacked the castle. Helaya po full stop om lava. Hi capital in intran lava. Chuan hi a hi small turania capital aronda boka chu wangin punctuation error anile ani. Our class for a picnic. Our class for a picnic chu thu akim lo ni. Our class went for a picnic. Our class go for a picnic teron ta ang se chuan hei capital in ron box se to ba full stop te box se mo athuron in rem hi akim lo shima chu wangin incomplete sentence ani a complete lo ani mo. Anwaya the spins a web. The spider spins a web teron ditang se athu hi akim lava hei po hi incomplete sentence ani. Halt goes there. Hei chu a grammar adiklo goes ai hianin go man turania. Do you to go out for a walk? Hey po thuron kimlo. Do you want to go out for a walk? Teron ti se question mark ron da se tahian one ron box se hey po hi incomplete thawani. Incomplete sentence mo. Helai kan lo soi tong kan sentence chu thu om khom om zena yer in rem khom sentence a chon subject le verb om china capital letter in horopuina in transia full stop te question mark te exclamatory mark de na te atopa om china ni. Chuan let us now study about the different kinds of sentence. Sentence chi shang tu na kan lo zirang. Read this sentence. Are heng thui kan lo chiarang o. Our final examinations are always held in March. Kan final examination to March ha. Ni anizia china ni. Atiani the chief language of Meghalaya are English, Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. Meghalaya an thu an trong tlang lon an trong pui te chu an trong pui ber te chu mo English ne Khasi ne Jaintia le Garo te ni. This sentence states something. Sentence that state a fact or an argument and end with a full stop are called declarative sentence. Sentence te hi thu tak te han in chan na ang chi te khateng ang reng nei ang chi atopa full stop omang chi kha declarative sentence antini chuan match the words in the two columns to make meaningful sentence atiani helaya hianin helaya mi le helaya mi te hi kan ti zom donani Kohima is the capital of Nagaland tahian number 1 ostriches are very big birds many children are afraid of light and thunder Alfonso is the name of a variety of mango. More. Pens and pencils are available at the stationery shop. Number 5. People of many tribes live in Manipur and Mizoram. My father likes to wash the car himself. Rabbits love to eat carrots. Kashmiri apples are very tasty. The river Ganga flows into the Bay of Bengal. Now read this sentence. Chuan heng ho kan thu heng thu kan ron soi te hi declarative sentence ani declarative sentence chuan thil ani na takle thil in chan na dik tak kha atopa full stop amin question mark te exclamatory mark te omlo chuan full stop chuk atopan umakhang ho kha anita ni he hi in textbook a in lo ti ve do nya o declarative sentence chu sentence thil ani na takle han in chan na a adik tak kha atopa full stop om ang chi kha ani chuan now read these sentences who is the governor of your state which is the largest land animal tunge in state governor engram sa nge khumwala ramsa alian ber atiani some sentences ask question sentence chen kha chuanin zona an zo thinani sentences that ask a question and end with a question mark are called interrogative sentences sentence chen khat zona zot le zona chin chi ana heteng anga to pangchi ho kha interrogative sentence ani sentence zona zot le atopa question mark omang chi kha interrogative sentence ani read these sentences be in school by 9 o'clock heng thilo chiar leng o dar kwa school ai lo om turani command ani kha chu thupe kani please give me a pen khongai takin pen min lo pe request ani kha chu ngin na instead of watching TV all the time you should spend more time outdoors advice TV en reng lavin po na te hun mang tam vela thuron pe kani some sentences express commands make requests or give advice sentence chen kha chuan thu pek te apea ngin na te siama thuron te apechina ni sentences that express commands make requests or give advice and end with a full stop are called imperative sentences sentence chen khat thu pek pe te ngin na siam te thuron pe te angar heu hi imperative sentence ti in an soi china ni now read these sentences heng te hi lo chiaro le what a brave soldier he is brave soldier he is atia hetlaya hianin hei makna ama kha pa si pai pa kha wangai san na valom na kha omani tro chuan war takin angai dana kha ron soi chwaka atopa makna aron umbokani what a wonderful sight the hill slopes of the northeast are northeast a tlang te in kho thak dan te hi awahan moin awahan hu nuam em antiani some sentences show strong feelings such as happiness appreciation anger and disgust sentence chen kha chuanin nasa takin kan ngai to na ang te kha anron soilang thina hlim na te valom na te valom puina angte thin urna tele ngei na te mo khatyang ang khani. Sentences that express strong feelings and end with an exclamation mark are called exclamatory sentences. Sentence kan gai to ana nasa takaron soi chuaka atopa exclamation mark hetiang ang mark ron umang kha exclamatory sentence anti ani. Mention what kind of sentence each of the following is. Heng sentence te hi inge anni ziak ro le. He did not go to the market. Bazara akallo. Declarative sentence ani. The car started with a jerk. Hei po hi declarative ani. Sanchu thil kha ani na ang kha na ron soi to pani. How hot the water is atia. Tui chu wa han sa em ve atia. Exclamatory mark ani. Mo chuan is it a holiday today? Vo in hi holiday ani em. Question ania. Interrogative sentence ani. Please do not pluck flower. Kongayin pangpar lausu atia. Ngen na ania. Imperative sentence ani. Tiro. Don't touch that umbrella kha. Nilia ka khoi su atia. Command ania. Imperative sentence ani. I will not go out in the rain. Ru'a kakal chuak lawang ru'a sura atiani. Chuan hei chu declarative ani thilka asoi topa. Do not close the windows. Tukver khar su atia. Imperative ani. Thupe kani tro. Will she ever forgive me? Min ngai dam ve ngai ngim le ani khan ti velania. Zo na ania. Interrogative sentence ani. I don't want to talk about it too. Declarative sentence ani. Asoi du lo thu kha chiang takinaron soya chuan hemichin hi kan tinga voina tan chuan hi in lo homework o thu hi adik lovin ron in rema chuan in lo rem dikanga homework ha in ron submit on ya o